The world of digital marketing is constantly evolving, and as businesses increasingly rely on digital communication, the demand and effectiveness of digital marketing continue to grow. This has created a significant need for skilled digital marketers, with employers willing to pay higher salaries to those who possess the necessary skills. The Digital Marketing Certified Associate course provides an industry-ready digital marketing education, covering essential disciplines such as search engine marketing, social media, pay-per-click marketing, conversion optimization, web analytics, content marketing, email marketing, and mobile marketing. Through hands-on training, students will learn how to use industry-standard tools such as Google Analytics, Google AdWords, Facebook, and YouTube, and how to develop a digital marketing strategy that targets the right audience with the right message. Our DMCA course is suitable for individuals who are interested in digital marketing and want to either become job-ready, enhance their existing skill set, or learn how to use digital marketing for their business. With our course, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of the different domains of digital marketing, learn to use the necessary tools and develop the skills to strategize and manage digital marketing campaigns. Through practical assignments, you will gain hands-on experience and complete 4 projects to earn certification. Our course also prepares you for 5 certifications including OMCA, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, Facebook, and YouTube. As digital communication becomes increasingly important, the potential of digital marketing to reach and engage audiences is expanding. With more people going online, there is a greater opportunity to connect with consumers and provide access to a wider range of products and services. As a result, businesses are recognizing the potential benefits of digital marketing and are launching more campaigns to reach larger audiences, with growth projected to continue at an exponential rate. With this global outlook in mind, it's important to consider how digital marketing can benefit your business. The majority of companies have allocated a budget for digital marketing, and they intend to increase that budget by almost 20% in the upcoming year. The rise in demand and efficacy of digital marketing has caused it to become one of the fastest growing industries worldwide, creating a considerable shortage of skilled professionals to meet this demand. Thus, being proficient in digital marketing can enhance your worth and demand in the job market more than conventional marketing professionals. In the present day, digital marketers are expected to have a broader range of skills and be capable of making a significant impact on a business revenue and profitability. Due to this, employers are willing to offer higher salaries for those with these valuable skills. Are you prepared to advance your skills and career and become the driving force behind your company's digital marketing campaigns? If you are, this program can equip you with the fundamental tools you need to get started and begin practicing in the digital marketing field. Let's begin. The course covers a wide range of topics to equip you with the necessary skills in digital marketing. You will learn about search engine marketing, social media, pay-per-click marketing, conversion optimization, web analytics, content marketing, email marketing, and mobile marketing. Additionally, you will gain hands-on experience with tools like Google Analytics, Google AdWords, Facebook, and YouTube. By mastering these tools and learning how to interpret the data they provide, you'll be able to make informed decisions and refine your marketing strategy. Furthermore, this course will equip you with the skills to develop a comprehensive digital marketing strategy. You will learn how to assess your brand's messaging and identify your target audience to effectively communicate your message. We will examine the various marketing channels available and help you decide which ones are the most suitable for your business, and teach you how to optimize each channel for maximum impact. Finally, we will guide you how to manage a successful campaign, including resource allocation, timely and relevant communication, and effective targeting to achieve your desired outcome. Planning and preparation are crucial for success. Businesses that fail to plan often become distracted and lose focus, resulting in decreased profitability. By creating a campaign plan and adhering to a schedule, you can stay on track and move towards your goals. Having a measurement plan in place allows you to make necessary adjustments during the campaign, identify issues, and seize new opportunities, ultimately increasing profitability. Knowing how to create campaign benchmarks and measuring progress is crucial for staying on track. This course will provide hands-on experience with essential tools used in digital marketing, allowing you to become familiar with basic operations, how to set up and run campaigns, manage them, and report on the results. After mastering these skills, you will be able to obtain certification in one or more disciplines or take the OMCA exam, proving your proficiency in high-value skills and your readiness to dive into the digital marketing work. The DMCA course equips students with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the fast-growing world of digital marketing. By mastering the essential disciplines and gaining hands-on experience with industry-standard tools, students will be ready to take on high-value positions in the industry and even get certified in one or more disciplines.